In this very moment, with just one conscious breath, you have the power to arrive in the present moment. One breath, and you become more relaxed, more centered, and more alive. Welcome to this guided breathing meditation. Make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes and bring your full attention to your breath. Take a nice, deep breath. And as you breathe out, sink into the present moment. Breathe in. Breathe out. Allow yourself to fully surrender to this present moment. You are alive, fully alive in this moment, connected with your breath. Notice how the breath flows naturally without any effort on your part. Breathe in, feel the air entering your body. As you breathe out, let the breath carry away any tension or stress you've been holding on to. The simple act of inhaling and exhaling can instantly calm your mind and body. With each cycle of breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and present. Right now, you have the power to drop into a state of deep relaxation and presence, simply by paying attention to your breathing. All your awareness can be concentrated on the direct experience of the breath moving in and out of your body. Don't get distracted by thoughts, sounds, or anything else. Continue to focus solely on the sensation of breathing. Just be with the breath. Breathe in. Know that you are breathing in. Breathe out. Know that you are breathing out. Breathe in. Feel the air coming in. Breathe out. Feel the air leaving. Concentrate fully on your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. When you focus on your breath, your mind doesn't think about anything else. Don't try to force your mind to stop thinking. The mind has always something to say. One breath in, one breath out. That is all it needs to interrupt the endless chatter of the mind and bring you back to the present moment. Thoughts will come. Just be aware of them, but don't identify with them. They are just like clouds in the sky or leaves in a river. They come and go. Don't let them pull your attention. Simply be aware of thoughts arising and just let them be. Each time your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the feeling of the breath. One breath in and out. Use the breath to anchor yourself in this moment. In fact, there is nothing to think about right now besides your breath. One breath is all it takes to let go of the past, the future, thoughts and emotions. One breath to be fully present in the here and now. Continue breathing mindfully and silently repeat this simple mantra. I am breathing in. I am here. I am breathing out. I am fully present. Whenever your mind wanders, use this mantra to bring you back to your breath and the present moment. I am breathing in. I am here. I am breathing out. I am fully present. Spend a few more moments breathing mindfully, embracing the simplicity and power of the breath. Remember, it only takes one breath to find your way back to the present moment, to your true self. One breath to reconnect with the wisdom of your body and the eternal now. One breath to anchor you to the present moment. Gently bring your awareness back to your body and the space around you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling calm, centered, and present. Always remember, one breath alone can generate mindfulness, happiness, and inner peace. Thank you for meditating with us. Namaste.